Hi guys, a beautiful morning to all of you. Today I'll be making a simple peppered pomo sauce, also known as cow skin. So let's get started. Already added the vegetable oil I'm going to use. So the next thing I'll be adding is some onions. Then a little bit of tomato paste, just 1 teaspoon or thereabouts. Allow the tomatoes to cook for some time. Then I'll add my roughly blended pepper and onion. It has been cooking for some time, so the next thing I'm going to add is the pomo. Just introduce it to the sauce. This is salt. I'll add a little bit of salt. Sorry, I didn't tell you before now. The pomo has been washed and cooked already. So after cooking it, I just have to bring it out from the water and cut it into tiny pieces. So guys, I introduced to you my simple peppered pomo. This is it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye bye.